Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangma hakhalai trik urisau arjar fuwei la plait ba special postal cover jong patokan en Sangma bat Citrus Indica memang narang William Nagar harangkar kecingidan lang chief whip ke sarkar Marquis and Marak lembat usaleng e Sangma MLA yagani postal cover la plait ba komisi benta kecong kecing rakhi dap nyusa senem kecingi la luit keri India ya kebelat tep kum ka azadi ka amret muhadzaf apa plait ba ini postal cover Konrad K. Sangma laong bagani galong mujikseu keliang yu patokan en Sangma bodai rukrau congkeri lom karu.
I would like to thank Avenues. They're doing a great job. They have covered more than 5,000 youths all over the state. If I'm not wrong, 5,000? 5,000 youths have been covered. And it's not that they do the program sitting in Shillong. This program is done by visiting the different locations. They have gone to more than 10, 15, 20 locations all across the state, interior locations, in difficult conditions, and yet they've been able to, with a smiling face, they've been able to give the necessary training and confidence building to our children. The youth is important, and we know that even though we have a smaller number compared to a big state like Uttar Pradesh or Maharashtra, but the quality of the youth that we have is more important. It's not the quantity. So if every youth of ours can be given a talent or trained, if every youth of ours can be given a skill, if every youth can be polished and made the best that he or she could be,